growing up, I come from a Caribbean background. My mom is a descendant of Haiti. And growing up, I was taught to, when you're doing someone a favor, to do it out of the kindness of your heart. If you see a older lady walking up the block with bags, you help her with the bags all the way to her door, to her apartment. And if in return she tries to give you money for helping her, you don't take the money because you did it out of the kindness of your heart. When you help people, you don't do it with the intention of getting anything back in return. You do it for the greater good, right? And hopefully it comes back around through your karma, right? But growing up, I took that understanding to heart. So when I got into business and I seen someone was struggling, or I seen someone was, experiencing whatever challenge they were experiencing, even though I had my own struggles, challenges, even though I was suffering or going through hell with my business, I still try to figure out a way to help them, even if it meant donating my services, volunteering my services, even if I couldn't pay my bills. And what I learned the hard way was that people will squeeze you until you have nothing left in you. People will abuse you. And then when they can't use and abuse you no more, they'll turn around and say that your help was not good enough anyway. And I had to learn that the hard way, that in order for my businesses to operate, in order for me to take care of my overhead, in order for me to feed children, in order for me to do whatever I need to do, I have to first be full first. If I'm not full, I can't help anyone eat. And that's just the bottom line. So I had to unlearn a lot of the things I learned. So, it always bothered me taking money from people, even though I knew I deserved it. It always bothered me asking for what I knew I deserved. It always bothered me negotiating what I knew I deserved. And that came from a long line of thinking that, I should feel guilty for having a lot and whatever that is, But anyway, I'm here to say is fight for what you believe in. Because we don't get out of life what we think we deserve. We only get out of life what we fight for. Royale, Revolution to Inspire.